Suffixes are letters added after words to create new meanings. When you add letters to the end of a word, you make a completely new word with a different meaning or use. This process is called word formation using suffixes. For example, happy becomes happiness and teach becomes teacher. Suffixes change the meaning of words and also change the type of word. Adding ness to happy makes happiness, which names the state of being happy. Adding to teach makes teacher, which names a person who teaches. Suffixes always go at the end of words. Here are clear examples of suffixes in action. Happy plus ness becomes happiness, changing an adjective into a noun that describes a state or quality. Teach plus becomes teacher, changing a verb into a noun that names a person. Each suffix creates a specific new word type. Beauty plus full becomes beautiful, turning a noun into an adjective that describes something. Quick plus lie becomes quickly, turning an adjective into an adverb that describes how something happens. Suffixes help us build words for different grammar needs. Noun suffixes create words that name things, states, or actions. Ness makes nouns showing state or quality, like happiness from happy. Ment makes nouns showing results or actions, like movement from move. Tion makes nouns showing actions or states, like celebration from celebrate. Verb suffixes create action words. N means to make or become something, like weaken from weak. Ify means to make something into another form, like simplify from simple. Is means to become like something, like modernize from modern. These suffixes turn other words into verbs. Adverb suffixes describe how, when, or where actions happen. Lie shows manner or how something is done, like quickly from quick. Ward shows direction, like forward from for. Wise shows manner or way, like clockwise from clock. Adverbs usually answer how questions. Adjective suffixes describe qualities or characteristics. Full means full of something, like beautiful from beauty. Less means without something, like careless from care. Ish means like or similar to, like childish from child. Adjectives describe nouns.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.